Afternoon, folks. You're off to find the winner for Timmy's 50 packs. Surely you gotta find something in there. We're live. Good luck to everyone. Even Timmy could find something good in that. Spot 1 has Ben. Down to spot 50, Ben as well. Putting that list in the randomizer at 3:14 PM local time. Ben on the top spot and on the bottom. Dice roller. 2 dice, 5 or higher. It's a 7. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 in our final time at 3:14. Congrats to spot 31. It's Leroy picking up. Had to go 7 times. Did go 7 times. Our verification code is there at the bottom. But on spot 31 is our winner. Congrats. And we are done.